The 2026 Isuzu D Max is a versatile and powerful pickup truck that perfectly blends rugged capability, modern design, and practical everyday functionality. Right from the first glance, it commands attention with its bold and muscular exterior. Sharp LED headlights, a distinctive and aggressive front grille, sculpted body lines, and large alloy wheels give the D Max a confident and imposing presence on the road. Its high ground clearance, sturdy frame, and reinforced body make it equally ready for city streets, long highway drives, or challenging off-road adventures. Step inside, and the D Max delivers a cabin that combines comfort, technology, and practicality. Ergonomically designed seats, high-quality materials, and a modern infotainment system with touchscreen controls, smartphone connectivity, and advanced navigation ensure a pleasurable driving experience. Ample storage, intuitive controls, and thoughtful interior design make the truck suitable for both professional use and family trips, offering convenience for every passenger. Under the hood, the 2026 Isuzu D Max offers strong performance, reliability, and efficiency. It's designed to handle heavy loads, tow trailers, and conquer tough terrains, making it a dependable companion for both work and adventure. The truck's advanced suspension system, responsive steering, and robust drivetrain ensure stability and control under any condition. In terms of pricing, the 2026 Isuzu D Max starts at around 32,500 euros for base models, while higher trims with additional features, technology, and premium finishes can go up to 41,900 euros, depending on the region and selected options. This combination of rugged performance, modern design, comfort, and competitive pricing makes the D Max a strong contender in the pickup truck market. Whether you are looking for a reliable workhorse, a capable adventure partner, or a stylish yet practical daily driver, the 2026 Isuzu D Max offers everything in one impressive package. It's more than just a pickup. It's a vehicle built for those who need power, durability, and style wherever they go.